visible level there, drain. I mount it to the strut tower right here. On the back side there's another mount. I have an inspection cap here so you can see inside it. Even if you take the breather off, it's actually a car air filter. But if you take the breather off, you can't see in there because I welded it upside down. It's kind of like an upside down hood scoop as a baffle. So the air comes in, and then it comes up and then out. So turned out pretty damn well. Put a fancy plate I made and drilled to hold it in. So when you want to take this out, you just unbolt this and it slides right out. Turned out pretty good. It's gonna handle anything you throw at it, really. Might as well call it a toaster oven. But yeah, it turned out pretty damn good. I angled the fittings up like the Powerhouse Racing valve covers, because you'll definitely be hitting the turbo on this side. So yeah, turned out real well. I used every inch of space, man. Look how much higher it sits from the frame there. It actually fits under the hood. So all I need to do is bolt these valve covers back down and test it out. See how it does.